Citroën's new camper van that's packed with features to ensure your trips away are as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. Citroën have partnered with leading camper van conversion company Bravia Mobil to create the Holidays, using new Space Tourer as a base. Holidays shares many similar qualities to Space Tourer, including a modern design, impressive space and practicality, and a comprehensive set of advanced driver assistance systems. Coming as standard with 4 sleeping spaces, a kitchen, a pop-up roof, swivelling front seats, and much more, Holidays makes for an ideal travel companion. So let's discover it in more detail. Holidays has an elegant and sleek design, featuring Citroën's bold new logo and LED lighting signature at the front. Its compact footprint makes parking easier, with a length of just 4.98 metres, whilst its height of 2.01 metres enables access to most height-restricted car parks. It features twin sliding side doors as standard, making it extremely practical, whilst the 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels and dark tinted windows add a dose of style, complementing the range of 5 different body colours which are included in the price, such as this metallic Capari green. You'll notice these lateral rails on each side of the vehicle, which can hold a rolling awning, and the body-coloured pop-up roof, giving generous headroom and providing space for one of the 2 double beds. Round the back, the tailgate features this neat opening window, helping to access the interior even in tight car parking spaces. But it's on the inside where Citroën Holidays really comes into its own. With the roof up, there's ample standing headroom along with 2 sleeping spaces, supporting a weight of 200 kilograms. The rear bench seats 2 people and can be slid back and forth, allowing for incredibly generous legroom and boot space. But should it not be required, it can even be totally removed from the vehicle. It can also be converted into additional sleeping space for 2 by simply folding down the backrest and fitting the additional cushions provided. Comfort on board is assured thanks to heating and air conditioning throughout, with the programmable Webasto heating system ensuring optimal onboard temperature even when the vehicle's engine is off. Meanwhile, you can control the intensity of the interior LED lights to create the perfect ambience on board. The kitchen features a stainless steel sink with 10-litre freshwater and wastewater storage tanks, 2 gas burners and a 16-litre fridge, whilst the retractable table and the rotating front seats enable 4 to dine in style and comfort. The kitchen unit can also be quickly and simply removed from the car to enable cooking and dining al fresco, or freeing up even more space and access to the vehicle for those occasions when you don't need the kitchen. At the back, there is a shower with a 25-litre water tank and removable chemical toilet. The cabin features ample storage, including 27 litres of space in the upper glove box and side doors, as well as plenty of storage within the main living area. Citroën Holidays offers a 230-volt external mains inlet point to recharge the 95 amp-hour 12-volt leisure battery and an internal 230-volt socket so you can power your electrical devices. There's even a 120-watt roof-mounted solar panel, which helps to top up the power of the leisure battery, which is also charged by the vehicle's alternator when the engine is running. Moving to the front of the cabin, Citroën Holidays is packed with features to ensure a safe and enjoyable drive. Driving aids include a rear camera with top rear vision to help make parking straightforward, adaptive cruise control to make motorway driving safer and easier, and a suite of advanced safety technologies such as automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, helping to ensure everyone on board is protected at all times. The 10-inch high-definition touchscreen features 3D connected navigation, as well as wireless smartphone mirroring with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, whilst the heated leather steering wheel features integrated controls to take the stress out of driving. Passengers have access to numerous USB outlets and a wireless smartphone charger to ensure everyone is connected on the go. The Citroën Holidays is equipped with an efficient 180 horsepower turbo diesel engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission for effortless performance and efficiency.